What's up, everybody? Alright, so I wanted to Gorilla Tape my seat because it was all sorts of nasty. I bought some Gorilla Tape the other day when we were out Christmas shopping. I got the extra wide tough. It's really wide. $14.99 a roll. So in the process of trying to find information to take the seat off, I found one forum that kind of led me to believe that there was a nut on either side of the seat in the tunnel towards the back, right down in there and on the other side. They're both 10 millimeter. In trying to take them off, I snapped the studs off. So I'm going to attempt to put something new in there. I already got the seat loose. I already took it inside and put the Gorilla Tape on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to get the broken studs out and show a possible repair scenario, because there's nothing out there on this for the Ski-Doo. So, alright, here we go. But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Alright, so right there is where the two bolts come through. There's one on either side. One over there too. And right here, there's just two little pins here and on the other side. And then there's a little clip right here that clips into the seat right there. And a couple little holes that the pins slide into right there and there. So basically, once you get those two bolts out, those two nuts out, it just slides towards the back, pulls right up. So what I had to do is I split the seat cover. Let's see if we can focus here. Split the seat cover. I really didn't want to, but it's already all mangled. A couple good whacks with the hammer. Drove the stud out. Pull it out through here. My attempt is going to see if I can get a nut and a bolt that will fit through there, because that's where we're at right there. So it really doesn't need to be anything long or huge. And we're going to move on. I just used a punch to push it the rest of the way through, and a little hammer. Alright, so I did come up with a solution. Just short little bolt. I am going to have a wrench on the back side of it this time, rather than the squared off piece they had wedged up into the plastic of the seat. So, and these fit right in the hole. So I'm going to use a couple lock washers, double nut it so it doesn't run away on me. Because without these two little bolts, hit a bump with my snowmobile and I'm going for a ride. Check back once I get this this bolt in and bolt her down. Alright, and that's that. There's one bolt right there. There's one right there. Just right inside the tunnel. And that's it. That's all there is taking it off of there. Just got to make sure that when you're taking it off here, there's a wire that goes underneath the tank and through the seat that goes to your brake light. So make sure you unplug that and don't rip it off, because that would be bad news. It ain't pretty, but it works. It's a lot better than all that exposed duct tape. So either in the springtime or this winter with plow money, probably going to buy a new seat, or maybe a seat cover and reupholster it. I don't know. Might just order a new seat. They're not too expensive online. So alright, that's another educational video. Let me know how you like it. Make sure you remember to like, share, and subscribe.